Most of the clients need an applicant with experience. How can we get clients
Yes
po?
po. I think mga agency po ito, no? Kasi halos kasi sa mga agency owners may nakalagay dito na with experience. Okay. So, para i-counter ninyo ito, okay, pwede naman kayo mag-offer ng breakthrough case study para ma-test ninyo yung skill. Okay, in exchange of pwede kayo mag-offer ng lower fees, ayan, sa kanila by telling them na meron na kayong nakuhang mga courses and you want to apply what you have learned, and then in exchange for that na pwede kayong mag-offer ng lower fee, okay? And then you can ask also testimonial after ninyo magawa yung project. And aside from that, mas maganda din po na gawin nyo siyang case study. So, i-document ninyo yung process ninyo